In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the pivot table editor in Google Sheets. First, go to Go High Level in your browser. Once you're there, open an existing spreadsheet that contains data in a clear table format. By table format, I mean your information is laid out in rows and columns, with a header row at the top that labels each column. Pivot tables work best when the data is consistent, so it helps if each column contains the same type of information all the way down. Next, click into your spreadsheet and select any cell inside your data table. You don't need to highlight the whole range. As long as your cursor is somewhere within the table, Google Sheets can usually detect the full dataset automatically, including the headers, and use that as the source for your pivot table. Now, go up to the top menu and click Insert. In the drop-down menu, click Pivot Table. This is the command that starts the pivot table setup and opens the tools you need. After that, you'll be asked where to place the pivot table. You can choose to put it in a new sheet, which keeps your analysis separate and clean, or you can place it in an existing sheet if you prefer to keep everything in one place. Either option is fine. The key is choosing a location where you'll have enough space to view the pivot table results clearly. Once you've chosen the placement, click Create. Google Sheets will generate a blank pivot table and, most importantly, it will open the Pivot Table Editor panel on the side of your screen. In the Pivot Table Editor, you can start shaping your report by adding rows, columns, values, or filters. Rows and columns control how your data is grouped and displayed. Values are the numbers or calculations you want summarized, and filters let you narrow what's included without changing the original data. As you add items, you'll see the pivot table update in real time. Congratulations! You've successfully opened the Pivot Table Editor in Google Sheets and you're ready to start analyzing your data.